Hi friends, let's learn about colors and fruit. Red, watermelon. Pink, guava. Red, watermelon. Brown, avocado seed. Orange, or the fruit orange. Dark pink, or pomegranate. Brown, avocado. Yellow, pineapple. Green, kiwi fruit. Yellow, orange. Red, brown. Red, green, yellow, red, dark pink, brown, orange, light pink, orange, green, pink, yellow, brown, dark pink, yellow, light pink, orange, green, dark pink. Now you've learned some of your colors and your fruit. Pomegranate, guava, kiwi fruit, avocado, watermelon, pineapple, orange.